Hi, my name's Jackson with Marshall Electronics. We're here at ISE 2019, and I want to show you our new CV380-CS camera. This is our newest addition to the Marshall POV camera line. This is a 4K 30 camera, has a C-mount lens on the end, 6G SDI, and HDMI output. This captures up to true 4K 4096 at 30 frames per second, also UHD and full HD. Has interchangeable lenses, and you can see the picture here on the big screen. Puts out a brilliant 4K picture, 30 frames per second, in a very small form factor. Of course, you have remote controllability, white balance, gamma, gain, pedestal, and black level. All of the popular features you expect in a Marshall, now with 4K at 30 frames per second. That's the new Marshall CV380-CS. For more information, visit us online at www.marshall-usa.com.